Hi, Texas. Thanks for tuning in here to CBS 19 Plus, where we're going to go over the next 6 to 10 days for sure, and then we'll look out 8 to 14 days. And the reason that we are looking out into that extended forecast period is because for the first time, we are starting to see a hot and dry spell develop. Late spring, possibly the early days of summer. Remember, summer arrives June 21st, but we're looking at June 13th to June 19th. And the Climate Prediction Center, the data coming in from the CPC, suggests drier than average conditions likely across East Texas and also the Gulf Coast. And this is hard to do when you have summertime because you heat up the land, you heat up the water. That difference in the land temperature versus the water temperature can create an onshore flow, which leads to sea breeze showers and thunderstorms. So the fact that we are seeing a likely drier forecast means that high pressure will be developing over the Gulf Coast. That sinking air that tends to prohibit the air from rising and cooling and condensing into showers and thunderstorms. So right now it looks like this will be the setup going into the middle part of the month. Meantime, out on the West Coast, we continue to see above average rainfall setting up for that same time period into the Intermountain West. So they have certainly had their fair share of rain and heavy rain through the first half of the day or first half of the year. It looks like it's going to continue as we get closer to the middle part of June. All right, let's talk temperatures through that same time frame. And because of the rainier than average weather in the West, below average temperatures are in the forecast. And because of the drier than average rainfall forecast across the central and southern plains, deep south into East Texas, above average temperatures appear likely here in that same time frame, June 13th to June 19th, and that stretches all the way over to the eastern seaboard. So it looks like the eastern 2/3 of the country heats up, the western 1/3 of the country cools down. Sometimes when we see this, it can also get us into a severe weather setup, and one is showing up around the 13th of the month. All right, let's take a look at the 10-day temperature trend. We're looking at daytime highs. We're now into June, so the average high is 89. And look at this. After tomorrow, we're above average. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, temperatures slowly climb. If we make it up to 93, that would be the warmest temperatures we have experienced so far in 2023. 92 on Saturday, increasing clouds. A chance for late night thunderstorms overnight into Sunday morning, 91. Monday, 90. Then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we climb back up. And if we hit that 96, that would be the new warmest temperature we've experienced so far in 2023. And beyond the 15th, as I just showed you, it looks like we'll see continued above average temperatures. All right, rainfall. Boy, I know we're only 5 days into the month and we start the new season. Remember, June 1st, we categorize that as climatological summer. So June 1st to the end of August now, we're looking at summer. And we're counting up the data and we'll compare that to average. So since June 1st, less than 1/10 of an inch of rainfall as of Sunday at midnight or Monday at midnight, less than 1/10 of an inch of rainfall. Now we had a good, nice steady rain in Tyler on Monday. We'll get these updated numbers for you, of course, as we go through the week. Compare that to average, about a 1/2 inch behind. And now for the year, because it's dried out recently in the second half of May, the yearly rainfall has dropped below average by about 3/4 of an inch. Long view, though, nice showers and thunderstorms Saturday afternoon. You may have noticed those, producing almost 2 inches of rainfall. So the comparison to average since June 1st, well above average for the year, more than 2 inches above average. Lufkin, no official rain yet. So compare that to average, about 6/10 of an inch behind. And again, we're only 5 days into the month, but for the year, still about 4, almost 5 inches ahead. All right, rain chances. Isolated showers, thunderstorms on Tuesday. Wednesday, 40% chance. I think it dries out Thursday and Friday. Saturday night, especially in the evening, showers, thunderstorms. Sunday morning, chance of rain. It dries back out Monday, and it looks like it stays fairly dry throughout most of next week. All right, so scattered showers, thunderstorms late Monday night, fade away after midnight, waking up Tuesday to drier weather. We have sunshine Tuesday afternoon, these little isolated showers bubbling up here. This is Interstate 20, so near Tyler. Deep East Texas, maybe a couple of flare-ups in the late afternoon. That would be about it. Wednesday morning, scattered showers, thunderstorms, a little disturbance dropping through the area. So a chance for some scattered showers, thunderstorms Wednesday afternoon. Then Thursday drying back out. Notice the drier air coming in. and the high pressure system that's setting up over West Texas that eventually moves over. All right, so let's break down the next 7 days in rainfall. We'll go between right now and Wednesday, and there's the potential there to pick up 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 inch, in some places about 1/10 of an inch of rainfall. Thursday, Friday, again, we think it's dry for the most part, maybe closer. Friday night up to Interstate 30, you could have a few scattered showers and thunderstorms, but Saturday and Sunday should offer a better chance for showers and thunderstorms. We're adding up about 1/4 to 1/2 inch across much of the area. So the next 7 days, areas in blue, 1.25 inches, areas in dark green or light green, 1/100 of an inch to 1/10 of an inch, 1/10 of an inch to about 1/4 of an inch. So parts of deep East Texas will not see as much rainfall as areas closer to Tyler, Gilmer, Canton, Emory, and Mount Pleasant. All right, Tuesday morning, waking up with temperatures in the mid-60s under mostly cloudy skies. 66 around Pittsburgh, 66 also around Douglasville, Sulphur Springs around 67, Mount Pleasant around 66, and Clarksville around 67 up in Red River County. We'll come down to Upshur and Wood County. Temperatures are also in the mid-60s. Relative humidity will also be kind of on the higher side. There could be some morning fog, especially in some of the counties around Rusk County, perhaps, maybe Panola County into Cherokee County. There's some evidence that we could see some patchy ground fog in those areas there. Longview, 68 for the morning low. Jacksonville, 67 for the morning low. Palestine around 66. We go into deep East Texas, again, some fog possible. Nacogdoches, Hemphill, Center, Lufkin, Groveton around 64, Crockett around 66. That's why we have the gray skies here. I think some of this is modeling some of the fog, so it could kind of be a murky start to Tuesday in deep East Texas. Light east winds, another reason for the fog. They'll pick up a little bit, should have that fog dissipated by about 11 a.m. By noon, we've got wind gusts up to 12 miles an hour, but through the day, the winds are east and fairly steady, turning to the southeast by 3 p.m., around 7 miles an hour, gusting at times up closer to 15 miles an hour. High temperatures Tuesday, kind of a warm and steamy day. We have the isolated showers noted here in parts of Franklin, Titus, and Morris County, and also into parts of Cass County. In our central counties, 87. Jacksonville, thanks to the cloud cover, and a chance for a thunderstorm around 85. Henderson around 86. Longview and Tyler up to 87. Over deep East Texas, temperatures should be in the mid-80s, maybe Lufkin around 87 under partly cloudy skies. All right, here's your Bill of Scott White, Texas Spine Joint Hospital 10-day forecast. Isolated thunderstorms Tuesday, Wednesday, scattered thunderstorms. Then we get into mostly sunny skies Thursday, Friday, 20% chance of rain Friday. And it really waits until evening, so we should be able to make it up to 92 Saturday, 91 on Sunday. These are pretty decent lake and pool days. Let's watch the sky, though, for rain and thunderstorms, though Sunday afternoon should be drier than the morning. And then it's mostly sunny and heating up. Temperatures Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, climbing into the mid-90s. Morning lows climbing into the low to mid-70s. A certain summer-like pattern toward the end of our 10-day forecast. Thanks for watching CBS 19 Plus. Have a great night.